sunrise, folks. It's about 6 something. It's about 10 past 6 in the morning. And see the Pamporovo Tower, the Snežanka Tower in the Pamporovo ski resort. And here in the down is the village of Sulishta. And the sunrise. It's going to be clear day today. Already the sun rays are starting to touch the ground, the flowers and the grass and the trees. And our camp, of course. I'm just about to make a coffee with our new heater, or how to say, propane lighter. And I'm gonna sit on my sholte and I'm gonna sit to drink my coffee.